Hello and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 325d Touring in black. So I'll give you a walk around the outside of the car and I'll talk you through some of the features and options that this particular vehicle has. Starting with the outside of the car, you'll see of course it has the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house here at Your Next Car. This particular 325d Touring has a lot of optional extras to get through, so let's start with them. Starting with the outside, you will see that it has the BMW adaptive LED headlamps. We've also got the superb BMW 19-inch M Sport alloys fitted to it. Behind them it's got the M brakes, so the brakes themselves are much larger, bigger calipers, bigger discs front and rear. Alongside the beautiful 19-inch M Sport alloys, we have Michelin Pilot Sport tyres all the way around. Down the side we've got the black sidebars and M Performance decals. It has privacy glass on the rear windows. Inside the car we have the beautiful Old English saddle brown Dakota leather. In the front, which is heated, we have the Harman Kardon surround sound with Logic 7. It's an interior colour that's definitely worth coming to view. It probably doesn't look so great in the video thanks to the lighting. However, it's a personal favourite colour of interior of mine. Moving around to the back, we've obviously got the satin black rear diffuser, the automatic tailgate opening and closing, folding seats which are standard on all of the Touring models, split function tailgate, so as you can see you can just open up the glass section. Lovely, clean, tidy example inside and out. All the wheels are unmarked, and as I say, it has got Pilot Sport Michelin tyres all the way around. Okay, so I'll get inside the driver's seat now and just show you some of the interior options and features in a little bit more depth. So starting here, we have got the extended storage, so just a few extra cubby holes, bit of extra storage. The vehicle has got the professional wide navigation and media, Bluetooth communications and media of course, DAB radio and a wide array of multimedia inputs, the heated seats which I already spoke about. It has the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, multi-function M Sport steering wheel. It has the high beam assist. The vehicle itself has covered just over 77,000 miles. However, it looks as good as when it left the factory. It's in really exceptional good condition, which is helped by the fact that it does have full BMW service history, which I can show you on the service display, which is obviously the digital service record, which we have there. So that was the most recent service right up until the first service, which was carried out there. So all in the green, so all been carried out on time. Okay, so that's pretty much going to sum up the video of the 325d Touring in black on the 2016. Extremely high spec vehicle and one that's definitely worth a visit. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you, take care, goodbye.